Yes, come here, Larry. Look, there's a tornado forming right here. He's twisting right above the house. Here, look. Wow. It's right here behind the house over the bike trail. Look at it. We got a tornado right here, boys. Or not yet. When it touches the ground, it's a tornado. There it goes. It's... Motherfucker, look at this. Wow. Listen. I hope this camera's picking that up. Listen to Larry back there. Oh, it's right behind the garage here, Kevin. Yeah, it's fixing to go down right there too. Right on 412. About probably 85th Street. Oh, here comes another one. The tail's coming up here now. It's right here over our head. Just about. It's still in the backyard to the right of the garden. No, it ain't. The alerts are all running. God damn, this motherfucker might come down on us here. Just look for this camera. It's got a chip in it. Watch for this camera if something happens. Here it comes. It's coming at us too, right at me. It's coming right at the house. Ooh, it's green and the bluish looking in the middle. Wow. Check this out. I hope this camera's picking this up. It's pretty cool. Wow. It's slow moving. Y'all see it just boiling out. The eye of it, that's what I got this camera centered on, is the eye of it right now. And I'm standing out here in it. Wow. It's cool. Goddamn, I can see where it's coming down back there, though. I ain't got long. Oh, there's a tail twisting down over. Oh, shit. But where am I going to go? Oh, goddamn. It's coming right straight at me, Kevin. I ain't bullshitting you one bit. The tail of it. Oh, shit. That something's coming. Huh? Go. Damn. Get back. Oh shit, I'm hung up with something. Sorry. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. In here. In here. Good boy. Oh, fuck. Oh man, it's right behind, right over the garden right now, just probably about 65th. But we're getting the swirl around. Oh man, there goes fucking shingles off the building, off the garage. This is pretty cool. Wow. All right. Ha! Alright, sirs. I think we're okay now. God damn, that's pretty cool. Oh shit, it ain't done yet. God damn, there's tree limbs. Hello? Oh, I'm still talking to you, I thought. I just got out of the bathtub. We got big old tree limbs all over, or not big tree limbs, got the logs and stuff out here. I think I still got this fucking camera on. Fucking had a tornado come over the house.